And what are we working on today? We're working on this little piece of driftwood. A little chunk of driftwood. Let me show you what it looks like. A chunk of driftwood that was found in the ocean. I'm not sure what kind of settings I had. I guess I didn't check them. But anyway, that's a pretty good engrave. However, I should have masked it actually. But anyway, let me get this cleaned up and we'll check it out and see what it looks like. But normally on settings, I should have it go like this all the way through and finish. That was a weird way that it did that. So anyway, let me clean it up. All right, and here we go. Check it out. Turned out really good. And this is about maybe a 400 or 500 DPI on it. Some of these shells have a little bit of detail, like this starfish here. But anyway, turned out really well, cleaned up pretty good. And you can just take old driftwood chunks like this and do what you want with them and burn on here. This is I think it was a 400 speed and about 40 power, 40 or 45 power. So anyway. This is using the AEON Mira 9, so that's what you're going to get. This is a 100-watt laser. So very cool little driftwood, little piece of decor that we can put up or give as a present. So very cool. All right, hope this video helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.